Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. And, yeah, here we are in the Pontiac G6 GTP. And I got a problem. And so far, I haven't figured it out. But you put the key in the ignition here. And you can hear everything comes alive in here, which is nice. But I got no signal to the starter. So, yeah, no signal to the starter. So I gotta figure out what's going on. And this doesn't seem like it will be a fun one to figure out at all. Alright, we gotta check some fuses, some relays, and some stuff like that and find out what the heck is going on. Because all I did was I pulled the starter, right? And because I had to change the battery cable. And that attaches to the starter. So I had to pull the starter, actually. And all I did was unplug the signal wire that goes to the starter. And took the battery cable off. Changed the battery cable. And this is where we are. And then I plugged everything back in. So this is where we are now. So here we are at the fuse panel down here on the engine bay of the G6. And, what are we looking at here? Oh my word. They expect me to read these little things? Starter, number 26, J case fuse, 30 amp. Okay. 26. That's right there. And since I have the battery so close, if gutter, well, now I got to pull it out. I do have power here, right? Yes, I have power. Oh, these are hard to get out. Okay, let's see here. No. Yes. $11.8. So I have power there. Let me see if I got another 30 amp J fuse here. See if that, I don't know if that could be, I do have power there. So that's, So power goes from there to the relay. 33. Run crank powertrain. Start 31. 31. This is 31. All right. So, well, let me grab another. See if I got another one of those. I probably do. All right. I did not have another of those fuses. So there we go. Get you in a little closer. So I just popped the cap off it. Easy enough. Did it with a pick. Let us see. There we go. That side is good. And that side is good. That is a good fuse. So I'm just going to pop the cap back on here. There we go. Now, I pulled that out of here. There's the power going to it. Right. Now this is a relay that goes there. Well, so we know the relay got power, right? Yes. I wish I had my, well, let me look for them. Well, luckily I've found all my equipment for testing all of these. And well, that's what I'm going to do. Let's get on to that. Well, look at here. I got that off. Well, the top off of that relay here. That's that side that goes in like that. So I'm going to check it on this relay checker. I'm hoping it works. It should, right? So put her in. 4-pin. And let's see what we get. You can see the little thing, clip, clack, click, clack. It's working. It's good. So there's no problem with that. So what else can I do? There's got to be something else I can do here to check to see if the wire is good to the starter. And there is. So let me put that tape on it so I know it goes back together like this. There we go. So that's good. So I got a relay switch here, and it's the same makeup as it's an on-off switch. So I'm gonna put her in like, whoops, there we go. I did that. I have it on. Darn it. You heard that though, didn't you? You heard that. It does turn over. So the wiring from actually the box to down there is good. Well, let me check something first. I'm going to put the key in the on position. Okay, so I have the key in. The vehicle is on. Now if I do this, the vehicle should start. It didn't start that time. I think I have a security problem, don't I? Well, that's probably not a good thing. Okay, I pulled my run crank. It goes right here. Let's try this relay. See if it works. I got it in the right way. Looks like she's gonna work. Okay, she tests good. Alright. And when I do this, the throttle body comes alive. There you go. So what else could it be? So let's go through some of these fuses. Here's ignition run. Hey, that one, that one is not live. Well, it's not live, but the fuse is good. At least that's what it looks like. Yes. Well, let me keep looking. Well, for now, I'm going to go with the old trick of unplugging the battery for a while to see if it'll reset the security system. If it does, that would be very nice. Because it'd be nice to get it going. I want to drive it around. Kind of fun to drive with all this power in here. But that's just it. There we go. You stay there. It's unplugged. I'll leave it unplugged overnight. Plug it back in. See if that changed anything. If not, May have to get in there with a scanner and see if I can see anything. I don't know if my scan... Well, I do have that new scanner. It might do something. Might. But for now, I know all the wiring to the starter is correct from the fuse block. And that's all I got so far. So this is not how I want to end this video. As a part 1, of course. We're going to try her one more time. Nothing has changed since. But I think I hear a click down in... There's a fuse panel back here. I think I hear a click. I heard the fuel pump. I heard that. There is a click over there. So, okay. We know power is going to this fuse panel that's down here. It's messy. I'll have to clean that up. But, okay. Well, I'll have to think about that one and see. I have the book. I've had it. I can look in the book. But, I gotta figure this out. But now we got power, or we had power down to that fuse panel. I just wasn't hearing it before. But thanks for watching part 1, and we will be back with a part 2 to see if I can get this car going. And all I was doing was just a little bit of work on it, and then this happened. Things happen. Thanks for watching.